Okay, there is a problem revolving around the Rust programming development environment is that the Rust analyzer failed to discover workspace in VS Code. So first let me show that error and then I will fix that. Okay. So first of all, the usual way is just to make a directory and store our Rust files inside of it. Okay, the usual way, which is not the recommended way. Okay, so let's see the usual way first. So I'm going to open up the terminal. So first let me see what are the contents available there. Okay, these are the folders that are available inside the home folder. So I'm going to create a directory. So make dir. I will create a directory rust projects. Now let me check. Okay, right now you can see the rust projects is created. Okay, now let me cd or change directory to that particular folder. So cd and then the rust and then hitting the tab on the keyboard, it auto completes. So cding into that and I will open up the Visual Studio Code. Okay, Visual Studio Code opened up in that particular folder. Now I am going to create a file called main.rs, which is the Rust file. See, the thing is, you are seeing the error right now, failed to discover workspace. So even if you write the basic hello world program like this, okay, so save the file using Ctrl S, and now let me open up the terminal, and here I will compile the code rust c, then the main.rs file that will compile and it will create the executable. So I'm in Linux, so I will type dot slash then the name of the executable. So here it is, the output. Okay, but the Rust analyzer is not working. So the demerit or disadvantage of not activating the Rust analyzer is that you are not going to get the autocomplete suggestions based on the Rust programming language. Okay, so to fix that, you need to create a project inside your main folder. Okay, so let me close this. Okay, so now my Rust projects folder is empty. Okay, so now let's open the terminal and just cd into the Rust projects. Then I will create a new cargo project using the cargo package manager. Now cargo is a build system and is also a package manager inside of Rust programming language. So whenever we are going to create a new project, we will use cargo. So cargo new, then the name of the project. I will name it as test project. So hit enter. Now it has been created. Now let's cd into that particular project, cd test project, and now open up inside Visual Studio Code using code dot, and it opened up. Simple. Just ignore all these things. Now I am inside the test project and the code is here main.rs, okay, which is the Rust file. Now I am going to execute this. Now open new terminal and then just type cargo build. Now the build has been successful. Now let's run our project. Simple. See, hello world, and our Rust analyzer is also working fine. So right now you can see that whatever I am typing, it is showing the appropriate suggestion. Okay, so this is how the language server works. So that's it for this video. Thank you.